Hi there, students. To audit. An audit as a countable noun. Okay, to audit means to make an examination of the accounts of a company or a charity and produce an official report. You make a report. So the auditors come in and they audit a company, or they audit the accounts. They look at how they were made, and they express an opinion as to whether they are made properly or not. It's an examination of the accounts to check their accuracy. Now, you can go further than that. It can be a thorough examination of something. So you could have an energy audit, an audit of the way the energy is used within a building, or an audit of the water that is used. Okay, so to audit, it's an independent examination, normally of financial information, but it could be of other things as well, to check that it's correct, to check that it's been properly prepared and the numbers make sense. It's like an official inspection. However, an audit can't be expected to detect every fraud, but it can say that the way something has been done looks reasonable and the numbers seem reasonable. So unlimited companies also often need to have their accounts audited. Let's see. We also have an American meaning for this. To audit a class. This is to go to a class, to sit in and listen to a university class or an educational course, but without receiving a grade at the end of it, without being tested. So you just go and you watch, and you participate, but at the end of the day you're not tested on this. So it can be interesting to audit classes about subjects that interest you. So to audit, to go to a course without getting any credit for this. So he audited an English language course. But normally you audit a business, you audit a client, yeah. Okay, so this is an accountant auditing an organization's accounts. Yeah, he's examining them to make sure that they've been done correctly, and then they audit the accounts to certify that they are true and fair. It's like an inspection. The business first learned that the money was missing when it carried out an internal audit. So an audit, it's like an inspection, a verification of the accounts or the accounting of a company. But you can go further than that. An audit of the way workers' time is used. An audit of the use of the medicines. So in a hospital, perhaps they audit how the medicines have been used. So you can actually audit almost anything, although primarily an audit is for finance, for the accounts of a business. But it could be the use of time, the use of different rooms, the use of energy, the use of water. Okay, you're auditing it. You're checking that it's being done properly. Perhaps you could audit the way work is done, to check that it's done according to the rules, according to the official way of working of the company. Or you could have a safety audit to check that the conditions in a factory are safe. So, as I said, there are all sorts of audits, and also this to attend a class, but without doing exams or without getting any credit for doing that course. So audit. I would say audit A. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's a business word. Comes from Latin auditus, from audio, I hear. So audit.